Hello, welcome back, family. Today, I'm about to share something that could completely change your 2026. And trust me, you don't want to miss this opportunity. We are talking about the 2026 Commonwealth Volunteer Program in Glasgow, Scotland. Now, let me ask you, have you ever wanted to travel, meet people from all over the world, and make a real difference at the same time? Well, this is your chance. This program is not just about volunteering, it's about experience, growth, adventure, and memories that last forever. And here's the exciting part. This comes alongside the Commonwealth Games vibe. The games bring together millions of people, cultures, and opportunities. And as a volunteer, you don't just watch, you are part of the energy, part of the action. You get access to places that ordinary people who just bought tickets can't even enter. Some volunteers, depending on their role, might even be able to enter, dressing rooms of athletes. You get a chance to connect with international visitors, support amazing projects, and even gain skills that can boost your career. But let me lay emphasis on this. This is volunteering. You are not going to get paid. So if you think it is something that you're going to get paid, then I'm sorry, this video is not for you. The best part is this program is designed for young people like you, students, recent graduates, or anyone looking for meaningful adventure. You will meet people from different countries, experience new cultures, and make connections that could open doors for you in future. Most often, volunteering has a lot of opportunities that most people don't actually understand. Unless you get yourself involved, then you have a vivid understanding of what it's all about. And yes, I know you are thinking, Jakut, the application must be complicated. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to apply step by step. I'll take you to my laptop shortly and show you everything so you don't have to stress or guess. So here are some of the reasons why this Commonwealth volunteering program could be of help to you. It helps you in skill development. You will gain practical skills that look great on your resume. Travel opportunity, you will explore Glasgow and maybe even other parts of the UK. Another thing too is networking. You will meet people from all over the Commonwealth. You will make connections that last a lifetime. You also gain skill development, in fact practical skills that look great on your resume too as well. You also gain cultural experience, learn about different cultures while sharing your own. Personal growth as well. You gain confidence, independence, and a life experience that is very hard to get anywhere else, and many more. And maybe you might even find your future wife through this volunteering program. So buckle up, keep your eyes and ears open, because we are about to explore the 2026 Commonwealth Volunteer Program in Glasgow, discover all the benefits, and get you ready to start your journey. By the time you finish watching this video, you will not just want to volunteer, you will be excited and motivated and ready to go. So make sure you don't go anywhere as you are enjoying this car ride you are seeing. If you want to travel using the school route but you don't know how to go about it, you can get in touch with me and my team will help your relocation dream become a reality. If you want to book a consultation with me too, you can check my description and have a one-on-one dialogue with me. Alright, enough of the talking from me. Let's hit the road and discover how you can make 2026 the best year of your life with the Commonwealth Volunteering Program. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the official website of Commonwealth Games Glasgow 2026. And if you come onto this website, this is an interface you should see. And right here, they say volunteering. This is where our attention is. And you can also buy your tickets. You can come here and read about them. If you want to get involved in anything, they have career page. So if you are looking for a job, you can also come, especially if you are into sports. You could come and search for a job here. They have some 1 or 2 vacancies available. Sports, latest news, you could come and read everything here if you want to partner with them, competition, volunteering, or whatever be the case. So tickets are not yet out. Yes, it will come out soon. If you want to read anything about it, the FAQs, you could come here and read volunteer roles, application support, benefit you get, volunteer. So there are a lot of benefits in respect of this. You could go build a relationship. You might even get your future wife and all of that through this volunteer program, and I urge everybody, it's actually free of charge, to actually do their possible best and put in their application. And I know by the grace of the Most High, you could be shortlisted and go through the training process. I don't want us to read everything here. I want to quickly brush you through so that you can also come and put in your application. It says start your application, but let's scroll down and read one or two things here. It says that what makes a volunteer. So if you want to be a volunteer, what will make you a volunteer? First, and it says be eligible. Eligibility is very, very important. You must be at least 16 years old by 1st September 2025, blah blah blah. You go come here and read everything here. All right, it is very, very important. For the eligibility, if you don't meet, there's no way you're going to get selected, right? Glasgow 2026 availability, you should show that you'll be available by then. Security checks, you should be willing to go through security checks. Willingness to learn, because after you've been shortlisted and selected, there will be some training seasons. Depending on the role you are playing, you have to go through training before. You can't just come and start working. You should have enthusiasm towards it. Right to volunteer, you should have the right to volunteer, especially to prove your right to volunteer in the UK. So by all means, if you're not in the UK, you need to apply for a volunteer visa, which is very, very important. All right, so volunteer application now open. You can apply right now, but let's scroll down here and check one or two things here before we continue. This information here is for UK residents. Since you are not UK resident, let's come here. It says volunteer journey Glasgow 2026. So this is the journey you are going to go through. So you will come here and take yourself through and read every single thing about it. It says that register your interest July September 2025. So this application window was actually open on the 16th of September. All right, so you have to register your interest. Then registration of interest started in July, obviously, but for the application window of you applying, and don't worry, if you didn't register your interest, it doesn't mean that you can't apply. Step 2, it says the application open 16 September. So the one that you need to now put in your details and everything, the role you want to play and all of that. Individuals will be able to begin filling in the Glasgow 2026 Commonwealth Games volunteering programs application, blah blah blah. Closing days will be communicated via our social media channels and website. If you are watching this and you are not seeing it clear, do want to turn your phone so that you can see it very clear, like assuming somebody is playing football on their phone. The way they tilt the phone, tilt it into a landscape mode so that you can see it very clear. So they don't have an end date or deadline, so application is still ongoing. You need to apply just right now for watching this. It's free of charge. So step 3, selection process begins November 2025. So you need to apply. You need to look sharp and apply right now. It says step 5, volunteer training April June. Step 4, we actually jump step 4. You come to step 6 over here, uniform distribution. Obviously they are going to give you uniforms, games time, and blah blah blah. You could use this advantage to enter the UK, especially if you want to use the back door. Those words are code words. It is left onto you to decode them. Thank you very much if you don't understand. Anyway, so come here, it said apply. You tap on it right there, as you can see. So something like this will pop up on your screen. It says that legends 1/3. So if you're a volunteer, you are actually a legend. So if you come here, click up, log in, and begin your volunteer application. So obviously you need to sign up. You need to enter your email, your first name, certain basic things before you can continue. And now go and fill the forms very, very well, submit, and I hope you get selected. But obviously you're going to get selected. These are some of the frequently asked questions, the FAQs. So you can see, will Glasgow 2026 Commonwealth Games support my visa to volunteer in UK? The answer is no. They are not going to support your visa. You are supposed to meet all requirements yourself and apply. So take note. How can I become a Glasgow volunteer? Blah blah blah. Everything is here. Come here and read everything. I'll be leaving the link in the description, so don't stress yourself at all. And over here it says I have questions about the application process, blah blah blah. So if you have question about the application process, you come here and tap on this highlighted part. As you can see, it will send you there to read everything you actually want to know about this program, right? So if you come here, you could come here and tap on benefits, read more about it, application support, the FAQs, the frequently asked questions, volunteer roles. You could come here and check everything. This website, it is free. Don't let anybody deceive you that before I apply for you I need to pay application fee of $20 or $30 or whatever pounds, £100. It is a lie. Sign up here, follow them on their social media page for any new update. Anyway, which way, my name is Jakut, and this brings us to the end of today's tutorial. I believe and I hope you found this video very helpful. Do well to share to a brother or a sister to also benefit from this video. And as I've been saying, if you want to relocate abroad using the school route or any legal visa pathway, you can get in touch, and my team and I will help you make your relocation dream become a reality. My name is Jakut, and see you in the next video. I'm out.